Okay, our last video we created we created a server X feed within the plugin for what do we call it? Deer stands. What we're gonna do is we're gonna create a server X feed for a new blog I created called hunting questions. We're gonna do it within the user interface here. Go to slammerx.com, you log in. Basically, the ingredients to a regenerated feed are a seed document. This is used for content generation purposes only. So you should flesh it out with as many different niches you think you're going to be into, and then you have a template. What a template does is it basically tells how you want the post to look. We're going to add a new template here, call it a Yahoo Answers template, and then we're going to go ahead and use just one blogslammer command, coded description. RSS encoded description, what that is basically takes the source feed description and encodes it so that it's both human readable by humans, but it looks different each time it outputs an RSS item, so you have unique content at the same time. So we'll go ahead and just use that very powerful command here. And then the third ingredient is a feed. Let me see if I have it here. No, I don't have it here. We're going to add it. Basically, when you're adding a source feed, what you want to try to find feeds that are dynamic in nature and are keyword based. Yahoo Answers happens to be dynamic and keyword based. And what this screen is telling you to replace the hard coded search term in your feed with bracket SE uppercase, just like that, and that's so that it can do replacements later on without having to log back into the system. And then give it a name. We'll call this Yahoo Answers, and then you add it, and then you're ready to generate your feed. We're going to go click on RSS generator. Here you select your ingredients, your seed document, hunting. This has no content generation aspects to it, so it doesn't really matter what seed you select, but you need to select one at least. And then you select your template, and that's the one we just created, the RSS encoded description. Your URL of your source feed, as I say, Yahoo Answers. And then finally, you do an initial search string replacement. We'll say deer hunting, and you give it a title. This isn't really important. It can be anything you want. It's just RSS feeds have to have a title. And then same thing with main URL, so just do msn.com there. Don't worry about the actual URL. Finally, you have a footprint remover. We're going to put open question underscore. These are keywords separated by underscores. We'll say resolved question, and that's a footprint that Yahoo Answers actually uses. And finally, when you're done, click on the Create RSS button, and your feed should show up right here. We're going to go ahead and open it, and it takes a few seconds to generate. And there you go. This is this entire feed. You can read it, but there are encodings done to make it unique. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy that URL, go to the hunting question blog that I set up, go into WP admin, click on the let's go hunting questions, click on the blog slammer tab. We're going to go ahead and enter this feed here, and once again it's saying do a replace search string with SS. A blog slammer feed has a item SS equals something. Here it says SS equals deer hunting. You're going to take the deer hunting out, and you're going to put SS uppercase like that. We're going to go ahead and save by clicking on Setup Syndication. And we're going to go ahead and syndicate now so that we immediately get the results. If you don't click that, it'll just syndicate on the next scheduled time. And let's go ahead and visit the site. And there you go. This is the encodings are not very pretty, but they look. You can read it, and they get indexed, and you get the best of both worlds.